Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. I just wanted to showcase one of the new features of our Forex VPS control panel. Inside of the client area, you can see that there is now an installation center where you can automatically install MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and other software packages fully automatically without any manual or complex setup. So in this demonstration here, you can see that we have several brokers that you can pick from. In this demo, I will install two IC Markets MT5 platforms. So I selected IC Markets, selected MT5, selected two, and then clicked Install Now. And the process will start shortly on our VPS, so you can just sit back and wait. And within a few seconds, you'll see the IC Markets MT5 icon start showing up. There's one already, and then within a few seconds, the system will automatically complete the installation for the second platform. And as you can see, about 10 to 20 seconds later, the second platform is installed. The entire process was automatic. Just clicked a button or two inside of the control panel and everything else was all done automatically. So just wanted to showcase that new feature. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.